There's something else I want to show you here in Ponta Delgada on Sao Miguel Island in the Azores, Portugal. These really interesting structures that they've built that are like little man-made caves, and it sort of goes down pretty deep here. Very interesting. And there is a lovely pond on the other side. This is a nice free municipal garden. There are three, oh look at this lovely set of stairs going up to the top here. And yeah, 3 botanical gardens in town. And yeah, this is the municipal one that's completely free. The other one is like €2, and the third one is something like €8 or something. I like these stone benches and all these interesting tropical trees. I'll show you the little pond in a sec.